Hi everyone, this is the 29th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a nice little problem from the concept of roots and radicals. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, please pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. The question says, if x is equal to 1 over 2 plus square root of 3, then x plus 1 over x is equal to which one of these answer options, right? So we have to essentially calculate the value of x plus 1 over x. Now, what is x? Well, x is equal to 1 over 2 plus square root of 3. Now the denominator is irrational, right? To rationalize the denominator, we have to multiply by the conjugate of this denominator. So we are going to multiply by the conjugate in both the denominator and the numerator. We already have 2 plus square root of 3. And we are going to multiply by 2 minus square root of 3, and to balance it also in the numerator we have to multiply by 2 minus square root of 3. Whatever we multiply with the denominator, we have to multiply the numerator by the same thing so that our expression stays intact, right? So from here what we get? Well, then from here you see in the numerator we have 2 minus square root of 3. If we remove the parenthesis, it is 2 minus square root of 3. And then in the denominator we have, this is like a plus b times a minus b form. So this will be a squared minus b squared. So this would be 2 squared minus square root of 3 squared. So that would be 2 minus square root of 3 over 4 minus 3, which is actually 1. Now you see the denominator is becoming 1. So that's a good thing, right? So from here we get 2 minus square root of 3 over 1, which is essentially 2 minus square root of 3. Okay, so now our x looks pretty simple. In the question it looks a bit ugly, but after we rationalize it looks pretty nice, right? So now we can say, okay, so from here we see that x is equal to 2 minus square root of 3. Alright, now we also have to find the value of 1 over x, the reciprocal of x. Well, that we can do directly from here. From here we can say, okay, if x is this, then 1 over x would be the reciprocal of this quantity, which will be 2 plus square root of 3. It will just flip, this fraction will flip, right? It will become 2 plus square root of 3 over 1, and I have not written that divided by 1. So 1 over x, or the reciprocal of x, is essentially 2 plus square root of 3. So now let's quickly add them then, x plus 1 over x. So now if we add them, this is going to look like this. This is what we have to calculate, right? So x plus 1 over x would be, x is 2 minus square root of 3, and then 1 over x is actually 2 plus square root of 3. And from here if we remove the parenthesis, you can easily see that we have 2 minus square root of 3 plus 2 plus square root of 3, and these ones going to cancel each other. So we are going to be left with positive 4. 2 plus 2, that is 4, and that is our answer. And if we look at the answer options, we have positive 4 under option D. So D is the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.